I will not be getting up out of this chair. It is easily the coziest, comfiest chair I have ever sat in, and it's from Martini Vispak. It's the beanbag Teardrop large chair, BBTDL, also available in medium and small. They've got every size covered. And man, did I say I was cozy? Because I'm pretty darn cozy over here. What I love about this chair, nevertheless, is its eco-friendly properties. You know what? Even the beans on the inside are all recycled. And this material that we're seeing can be made with an rPET material that is recycled polyester. You gotta love that, right? What about the logoing, Alex? Well, if you wanted full color process, multiple colors, all of that decoration can be done with environmentally sensitive inks that are printed through a sublimation machine right here in Canada at Vispak's head office. Here in Canada, you've got to love that. Domestic delivery, domestic production, domestic decoration right here. Ooh, it's marvelous. Oh, and if I were to spill a little bit of beer on it, no problem whatsoever. I could wash that off with a little bit of soap and a little bit of water. And because there's a zipper at the bottom, I could take the cover right off and wash this thing in the washing machine. I call it the human coaster. You know why? Because when you go to a bar and you put that beer on your coaster, you're advertising. But when I sit my butt down in this chair, I am advertising, aren't I? So why wouldn't a credit card company put these all across an international airport? Every time a weary traveler gets a little bit tired and sits in a chair, they're advertising for the credit card company. Why wouldn't a courageous liquor company decide to do tons of these and put them in boutique hotels around the world? Every time I sit down for a little break, I'm seeing an advertisement of some unbelievable tropical drink. You've got to be creative. You've got to think outside the box. And with a canvas like this, that's easy to do. I love Martini Vispak. I love the way they think. I love all of the original things that have gone into the making of this product that they call by the line of Pilloo, P-I-L-L-O-O. And there are many products in their line under that name. You've got to check them out. So in the meantime, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and you know what? Register your email address for our newsletter so that you keep getting unbelievable videos like this. I'm Alex from Promonoise, and let's keep making beautiful noise.